NuSpecies, man, I tell you, say good candle, that's that.
Good candle.
Yeah.
Tell me, what happened when you came to see me?
When you come to see me, my foot have burned me. Me weigh 150 pounds. No, 250 pounds. Right? I say, boy, I stand, I can't bother with the bitters, you know, I stand.
You were taking the capsules?
Yeah. I stand tell me, say, listen, man up.
You mean you were taking the NuSpecies capsule, not the powder?
Not the powder.
You didn't like the powder. Why you didn't like the powder?
Because it's bitter.
Okay.
I stand tell me, say, listen, your taste bud is not there. Take the bitters and your taste bud will come back. You're going to take it like a candy I take when you start taking powder. I go out and shake off me and say, you know what, I have to do it, you know. And from the start take it 1 time in the morning, 1 time in the evening, and start drink water. I mean, just start lose weight. Right now, 1 shot me have. Entirely closet, I have to change.
1 shot?
1 shot.
Why?
Because me lose weight. And me know everybody I say, well, me if I bleach, me I bleach. Me say, no, I don't bleach. Me
you look like Pitney Boy now.
Me I'll give a joke a while ago. Me up on the train and see a nice lady. And me say, hi, good evening, how are you? And me and her start talk. And she said to me, say, you don't want this whole woman. A young boy like you, don't know what you do with this whole woman. And me say, how old me is? He want to look at me and say, about 45. And when me tell him, say, me are 51. She bust out a laugh and say, sorry, I'm so sorry. I thought you were older. Anyway, I start. When they start taking a NuSpecies now, my brother called me December. And I said, what one? And I say, you know, I say, I'm going to buy you a Christmas present. And he said, where? Where you going to buy me? He said, I'm going to buy NuSpecies, detox. And when me buy it and give him, I said, take it. When him start take it now, him said, him usually feel cold when I winter time. Some pain in my knee. Him eyes usually run water. Him say, him call me back and say, listen me man, if I have $300 for detox, me I go buy him. Me not care if it depends special or what. Me say, what now? Him I say, boy, pain, he high water, stop, run, and them something. So me say, hey. So my son call me now and say, what I'm daddy, what I want? Me say, a detox me I take, you know. He must say, buy me some now. Me say, alright, me I go buy it. Right now, it's 3 away, they on the detox. I'm a 8-year-old son, I want to go on it, but 3 my kid.
Right.
In free diabetes, but me I go get him on it.
That's good. How many pounds you lost?
Me lost about 50 pounds, 40 pounds me lose, you know, for me there me there 211 now.
And you were 250,
I'm about 250.
Okay.
Right? And me I tell you something, me
so
feel
how many inches you lost on your waist?
About 3 or 4 inches me lost on the waist.
So you have no trousers that can fit you?
Not, I stand and me say a brand new closet. Brand new closet me have to get entirely. Me I tell you say me go a gym, the Jersey and me go a gym. And when me come out of the gym, and when me reach round TW, it come like me can't take a plane them and fling with. Me couldn't believe say me that feel them weird there.
Strong.
That's time me I tell NuSpecies more. I say big request to ride to, you know, man. For I mostly I ride, me listen to, you know, and I say me follow a procedure and thing. Right now me stop drink tea with sugar.
Good.
Just put the mint in there and just drink it.
Excellent, excellent.
Yeah, man.
Well, I'm happy for you.
But boy, I stand me I tell you, say, me not come and fight, man. Right now me dep on the detox and the LU1.
Good, that's excellent.
And you funny it is, one time me bring in my lab and you tell me say me I move too slow, I want some glucose. And remember me tell you recommend a thing, me don't remember what it name. And when me take it, it come like is like a compressor in me. All the hair just a come out. Pay here. Man, NuSpecies are the best hashtag. People just live by the NuSpecies, trust me, and change on the diet. Me say NuSpecies George some stick, like some root inside of me. Me can't describe where behind me the man. Only the toilet seat cover can explain that, and then not talk a stand. You know?
It has your secret.
You have a secret.
Well, I'm very happy for you.
NuSpecies.
I can see the energy and your passion. Thank you.
Boy, I tell you, I stand. I not go on nothing else. Nothing else but NuSpecies.
Thank you. I can play this on the radio?
Anytime I stand, man.
Okay, let me ask you one more question. Do you find that exercising in the gym is a lot easier now?
It's a lot easier, stand. No, me never took a gym go exercise, me just get up and walk, you know. If you lift in a weight alone, me not lift weight and not take NuSpecies, it ain't a work. It ain't a work, I stand.
Good.
Me tell you, man.
So you're born again?
Me born again, me double time born again, man. Me tell you, the hurt is the healing of the nation, man.
Yes, yes. I can play this on the radio.
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
Delroy.
And I can tell Roy that you
man.
endorse NuSpecies.
Endorse NuSpecies.
All right.
That's that. Me at work, and when me take my belt and belt up my waist, the belt double time around me, the size where I was at the time before me did I take NuSpecies.
So your regular belt, the belt you had was regular.
Was regular.
But now because of the weight loss,
a two belt me have in one.
You
because of weight loss, wrap around me.
Jeez, you lost a lot of weight.
Me tell you, man.
That's excellent.
Entirely weight loss, man.
Wow.
NuSpecies.
Wow.
Only NuSpecies. Me take all happy side and no. It just a quick. It come like when NuSpecies are work, it come like somebody a take a scraper and a scrape out all of the things them.
That's what it does. It scrub the walls of the intestine and the colon.
And you know, first when me feel say it at work, one night time everything I run out and me feel a headache. Me go get a joke. Me feel a headache, and when time you have regular headache, me go sleep and it go away, and the headache now go away. So me go to the emergency room, and the doctor look at me and say, "What? When you take blood test, run everything." The doctor said, "I don't see nothing wrong with you. He's a strong man. You know what happened? You're so fit. You just have a tension headache. What you must do, go home and relax yourself. It's just a tension." And I said, Him said, "No, you know what?" Me said, "So what happened where you can't any medication?" Him said, "No, go over there at the water fountain and drink some water. That's all I can give you." And see me, I don't understand. NuSpecies.
Headache gone.
Headache gone. Me not feel the headache there again. Headache. And the other day, when make me know that you was talking to somebody and you say anytime you feel that symptom, don't stop and take it. I work.
Exactly.
And me say, yo, and that feelings, me need have, me listen you kill, you know, understand? Trust me.
I can tell.
Me listen you kill, man.
The body can heal itself violently.
Violently.
Yeah, but then it passes and then you're good.
Yeah. For me have that feeling that everything I run out. And me not feel the headache there again.
Good.
A morning time when me wake up, me do that I have the headache. And no, me not feel the headache. Me afraid I have to put my foot out on the floor, it cramp up, me have to stand up before me walk up. No, me just walk.
As I said, you're born again. You're now a NuSpecies baby.
NuSpecies baby.
All right, thank you, brother. Take care.
All
right.